Hi everyone, I'm Kali Bansal. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and healthy at your place. So now we will study French of class 10 from the book Set Right, CBSE, and we'll cover all topics of grammar and cultural civilization. So first we'll cover all the grammar topics and then we'll go to cultural civilization. Okay, and we get all the grammar topics at this channel only. So without delaying the video, let's proceed further. So in today's video, we'll cover les articles définis, which means definite articles. Definite articles in English means the. Uh, the is used to define something specific or a noun or a thing which holds a very high position. We use we use definite articles which has the. All right. So in French, there are four types of definite articles: le, la, les, et l'apostrophe. These all means the. But why we use them separate? Like, can't we use le with all sentences, la with all sentences, les with all sentences, or L apostrophe with all sentences? Only one. But why we use these separate with every sentences? So in French, there is the theory of masculine, feminine, plural, and vowel. If there is a noun in masculine, we use le. If there is feminine noun, we use la. If there is plural noun, we use le. And if there is a vowel, we use la. L apostrophe. All right. And in English, it is the. Okay. So vowel, we have two extra vowels in French, which is H and Y. And उसके बाद तो we have A, I, O, U. All right. So we will study four conditions where we use definite articles in French. First condition is definite articles are used to describe something specific. What are definite articles? It is the, first of all. Second, it is the is an article. Okay, so it is used to describe something specific. Like if we're talking about a particular thing in a sentence, so we'll use the. Like let's see an example which is je les yeux noirs, which means I have black eyes. So we are talking particularly about eyes, all right? So if it is these are black eyes. So if we are talking about an adjective, we can use le, and your eyes are plural and your nuance, and we have s here, and it shows us that it is plural sentence. So we use le, all right, and we are talking about a particular thing which is black eyes, which are black eyes, your noir. So les yeux noirs, we use they. So it fulfills the condition that it goes in specific noun. Now second condition, to express likes and dislikes with verb like aimer, adorer, détester, prefer. The is also used to express or to denote likes and dislikes of a person with verbs like aimer, adorer, détester, prefer. Aimer means like, adorer means love, détester means dislike, and prefer means prefer. Aimer means like, adore means love, détester means dislike or hate, you can say hate, and prefer means prefer. Okay, so you can learn it by a short form also, which says A, or you can go with A square dp, or you can go with or it is also says like pada, pada, which is pada. You can learn any three by any three, all right, like A square dp, adp, pada, Okay, so it will be easy for you to remember this. All right. Now we can see the examples. Il aime la salade, which is he likes the salad. Okay. Salad may we have e, which goes, which describes the feminine noun, and we use la with feminine noun as we have learned in starting of the video. So it goes with la. Now, why we use la here? Because it is not even like most specific, but we study one condition abhi. It goes with a like this. Like so he likes this, so it goes with a verb, which is yeah, and you don't have to learn this. You have to just remember this. Like a में adore de destre पे फ्रे pada, you can say ADP or a square DP. So it goes with a verb, so we use la. Now second sentence you can see preferre. Preferre is this. Okay. Sorry, I did some mistake. I wrote wrong spelling. Okay. Je préfère la voiture rouge. I prefer the red car. I'm talking about the specific car. First of all, I'm talking about the specific car which is of red color. So first, we can agree with this first condition, okay? And then it is having this AADP wala thing, which has preferre verb. We have studied here, okay? So it is having a preferre verb and it is having a specific detail about the car. It is red. And it like I prefer the red car. I am preferring only red car. I am talking about only the red car, not any other color of car. I am only talking about red car. So I prefer the red car. That's why I used la. And voiture, which is car, and it is having e, so it is feminine. So I have used la, and it is definite articles, which is the. So preference. It is there is a preference verb, and it is having something specific. So I have used la. Okay, so what we have learned in this first condition, it should have something specific thing, or and it should also like it is not mandatory कि एक sentence में आपको दोनों चीजें मिल सकती हैं, but अगर किसी sentence में इनमें से कोई भी चीज आ जाए, तो we can use this definite articles or anything. Alright, so या तो something specific there it should be, or there should be pada verb. Alright. So let's move on to another two conditions. So now our third condition is used with the days of week, month, season, and languages. So wherever we'll see the weeks, like days of the weeks, months, seasons, or languages, there will be used definite articles. So we can see the example number 1. Je ne vais pas à l'école le dimanche, which is I do not go to school on Sunday. Alright. So first, it is used with the days of the week. Second, love. Why? And now you will have the questions that why love will used like why love having to use what? So it is used because see. The word is ending with e, which denotes the feminine noun, and you will say that it should be la instead of la. But demands is an exception. What are exceptions? Exceptions that the word having e will not always be feminine. It is masculine. So there are a lot of words you can learn, like livre. All right. Or you can take leave. Leave, it is ending with e, but it is exception. We will always say la leave. We will not say la. We will not say la. We will use la, and we can like demonstrate ho gaya isme. It is ending with e, but it is not a feminine noun. It is masculine noun. It is exception. So we have used la here. All right. So it is fulfilling the condition. It is days of week. So we are using la. We are using definite article, which is the. You can see the second sentence. Je déteste leave. I hate the winter. Which means I don't like winter. So first, it is fulfilling two conditions. Sorry. first it is having deteste, which includes PADA. Remember AADP, A square DP. It is having the short form which is deteste. So first को हमारा ये आ गया तो हमें पता चल गया कि हमें डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज करना है. सेकंड वी हैव लर्न कि हमारा ये सीजन में यूज हो सकता है डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. सो विंटर इज अ सीजन, सो दैट्स व्हाई. एंड थर्ड थिंग ईवे वी हैव लर्न दैट इट इज अ वाउल एंड वाई हमारा एक वाउल हो सकता है फ्रेंच में. सो I have put L apostrophe which is vowel and we have written vowel के साथ L apostrophe. Alright, now moving on to third part, longle a ma long fab. The English is my favorite language. Longle, first of all, we are defining something specific. We are talking about a particular thing which is a language. All right, it is English language तो होता है, लेकिन we are talking about a particular language. So first of all, it is fulfilling the first condition which says definite articles are used for something specific. So first of all, यहाँ पे specific हमारा वाला condition fulfill हो गया. Second, we have learned that it is used with languages. So हमारा language वाला भी criteria complete हो गया. That it is a language, so we are using it. All right. So and it is a vowel. A is a vowel, so we are using L apostrophe. Clear? There are a lot of sentences, but these are the main basic sentences which we can understand easily. Alright. Now fourth condition and the last but not the least, definite articles also used with the name of countries, mountains, etc. Alright. So जहाँ पे भी हमको country दिख जाए या हमें like mountains का नाम आ जाए किसी mountain का, so we will always put definite articles. So first sentence you can see, j'adore la France, which means I love France. I love the France. So first of all, and also see, it is talking about a specific. So it is fulfilling the first criteria. It's talking about something specific, which हमने फर्स्ट कंडीशन में पढ़ा था. एंड सेकेंडली हमारा इट इज अ कंट्री, सो इट इज फुलफिलिंग द फोर्थ कंडीशन ऑल्सो. एंड बट यहाँ पे भी ये सेम वाला केस है, लाइक द लॉन्च में इट वाज एंडिंग विद द, बट स्टिल वी यूज्ड द नाउ सेकंड पार्ट. You can see the example, j'adore la France. It is fulfilling the first criteria, which is like if we are talking about a particular specific thing. So it is fulfilling the first criteria also. Also, we are saying that it is a country. So we have used definite article here. Now second part, la jura et la montagne. First of all, we are talking about a mountain, so it is fulfilling the fourth criteria. Also, we are talking about a specific mountain. Not we are only saying that it is a mountain. We are taking a name of a mountain. So it is a very specific. So it is also fulfilling the first criteria. And here, आपका doubt होगा कि यहाँ पे तो A है, but why we have used le? Because jura is an exception again. We can make a list here. Alright. So le jura, it is a mountain. Alright. Or you can take this also as a definite article. Okay. So in these two conditions, what we have studied that अगर कहीं पे भी week, month, season या languages आ जाए तो we will put like definite articles according to the noun by checking is it a vowel, is it a feminine or masculine, or is it starting with a vowel. And in fourth condition, we have studied that definite articles are also used with the name of countries and mountains, etc. So, France the country and Jura is a specific mountain.
So that's all for today's video. I would like to end it here only. I really hope that you liked this video and understood the topic very well. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely solve your doubts, and if you understood the topic, please do like and share this video and channel to your friends so that they can take help from this and can score good in their exams. And for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon near it to get all the updates. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, keep watching and keep loving. Thank you so much.